Bwega tuginambira kwa twicokagira kairi murithiria wa Meru TV kumurika marama ekiritwo rito ni ya ngatheti ndiona ngatheti cie mundi cioganitwe ikathiura ndina ngatheti ya The Daily Nation ago murithiria wa Meru TV gatwinambira kwa tukimiruguraga tone mbio yethiritwe kinambira kwa gikagirwo rito twina ngatheti ya The Standard kinya yoga twinambira kwa tukiruguraga tone mbio yongo yethiritwe kinambira kwa gikiragirwo agago ndeni ya ngatheti ino murithiria wa Meru TV ngatheti ya The Standard twinambira kwa tukembagira ngatheti ya The Standard aranko na ngatheti ino yina ngano kathomba na rogono rwa thiritwe kinenkero kiongo kinene ni rogono rwa garbage governor kana governor wa takataka arende Nairobi County Governor tawa Johnson Sakaya na thiritwe kinambira kwigwa kiaragirwa muno no ntuboruko rwa thiritwe kinambira kwa rukiaraga mujini wa Nairobi na aririkana na thiritwe kinambira kwa kirutha untugutomba kwa bukithuganagirwa kagitakara thiritwe kinambira kwigwa agitara gusetro score na Kenya Power kana kinambira kwigwa agirithira mantu makonenie na Kenya Power using trash and sewage. Leaders have condemned the act with the parliament calling for the arrest and the prosecution of those culprits. Na thiritwe kinambira kwigwa kiaragirwo karatatini gatona murithiria wa Meru TV tukainambira kwa tukia na ronora kini gori twathia nambira kwa tukiona asakaja na arethiritwe kinambira kwigwa kimenagirwo kinyane ya jumbe nontu boruko rwaro thiritwe kinambira kwa rukingiaga na aramujini wa Nairobi na gutema guntuko ukara gutari sasa wa bwega tutakotaka gitaka ingi gatu inambira kwigwa tukira ithagiria mukwe mungatheti ino ngine ya The Daily Nation murithiria wa Meru TV rogono rwa thiritwe kinambira kwa rukiandikirwo agao ene rogono rwa Ruto's battlefront. President William Ruto is entangled in many battles that could derail the implementation of his pet project and pit Kenya against its neighbors even as he continues to face political rebellion fueled by his impeached former deputy Rigathi Gachagua. Aririti mantu ma President Ruto arethiritwe kinambira kwigwende kirikanaga na challenges kuma kiri baraba impeached deputy president Rigathi Gachagua na atongora babange batakumuwata barunene ngatheti ya The Daily Nation ngatheti ya The Standard karatini gatwire inambira kwa tukirithagiria karatini officer left in the dark as plan to change police uniform styles. Ever since the public was invited to give views about the proposed new police uniform, nothing much has been heard about the exercise that was completed more than a year ago. In August 2023, National Police Service unveiled the uniform design while announcing commencement of public participation exercise on the proposed colors for the officer. The new design were displayed during the inauguration public exercise at Nairobi's Kenya Police Pavilion in South Sea before similar forums were replicated in Central, Western, Nyanza, Rift Valley, Eastern Coast and North East region. Agoba thiritwe bakinambira kwa bakeragira mantu makona uniform ya askari era thiritwe kinambira kwa gichinja na kurikana officers eagerly waiting for new uniform of a year after Kenyans settled on sky blue one. Kwa wende sky no bathite nambere kwa bagetagira uniform ino yago nyuma ya mbugata mwanko mukuru kugo ndetino cha uniform ko inambere kwa igwa ikiaragirwa katati too tired of being starved for love, inmate demand conjugal right. Imagine a woman waking up at Kamiti Maximum Prison or a man at Rangata Women for visitation. Just like in the movies, the prison warders call out the host to a screwed room granting the couple private time to reconnect in a moment of intimacy. Well, this sum up a case filed by 3 men before the High Court on the Wednesday. John Wangai, Peter Ogoro, and the Murima moved to the High Court under urgency, urging that men and women behind bars are living an undefined life as they were denied an essential human need. Prison wanderers and inmate at committee. John moved to High Court, urging that men and women behind bars are living. The trio sued the Ministry of Interior, Kenya Prison Service, and the Attorney General, so named the National Treasury, National Assembly, Kenya National Human Rights. The right of family life include the right to maintain intimate relationship, which is integral to preserve the integrity of the family unit. They say allowing the opposite sex to visit regularly would help a state deal with homosexuality and lesbianism in prison. Tanjire mwe kuinambere kwena kurwa na nyamwire chiwetwa lesbian ni yara ya kuruna ya kuruba ukara kana ba ukunda na tubaki kana antuarume na antuarume bagakunda na bagakunura na mbuti kurekana tanjire mwe kurigiria ndeto ino na arande ni kana na aranchera John Wangai, Peter Ogoro na Anthony Murima bethe tubakithina ara kotini kuinambere kwigwa bagichigata kotino bagichigata nchera bagichigata Kenya Prison Service, Attorney General, Minister of Interior no tubakuinambere kwigwa bakeria abungwa haki chiago cia kiwendo na arende kwerekana kinyabwe bakubatra kuinambere kwigwa bakeri yongagirwa na bagakunda na tubaki no twende ingi baithiretwe bagikaraga na nchera bae baingire na irio kethera bamwe bakainambere kwigwa bakiwataga barabange Kenya kethera mtu murume ukana na mtu murume orongi mwekuru ukana na mtu mwekuru orongi ntugora baithiretwe bukinambere kwa bukiongagira waginthoni ndeni ya mugongo wetu ngwitiga ni twiriaga by the way na ntububu kinamba kwa bweteraga kinyamiji kwegwa rongi oshigi utigira meje tiu nigakinye kwa mtu akuwato gakegwa muji no rongi ochige Sakaja's stinking mess at City Hall and Kenya Power to solve a debt. Honorable Johnson Sakaya ruriagao ruriagao ni kuona governor kinambere kwegwa kirombore kiriagao kwa we are very sorry dumping garbages at Stima Plaza, saying governor governor leto kinambere kwa kiromba urekiri no ntubone tuino karatini gatutano bado no akethite nambere kwa kera gidendero cha Sakaja City of West scandals and legal woes agago takataka ere agago mwari wa Stima Plaza arende kwithiritwe gukionekana kurega kwigwa kwina kumenyero kwega kwa muji oyo lakini amona ogunko na Sakaja na thitwa kinambere kwigwa kiroma orekeri kumana ntu karatega tuthandatu Azimio battles Kenya Kwanza to keep majority side ruling intact ndo achia Azimio na Kenya Kwanza na chithitwa kinambere kwigwa ikiendelea na arende Azimio bethitwa kinambere kwigwa kwena kuja ngukuji na arende ni bunge bakiona nowe na guge nkuruki ni bwa gutwika majority na kengoba igobari na guge bonene ndeni ya thirikari nirugono rwaro thite nambere kwa rukiandikagirwa gaukaratati tuthandatu na ara karatati ni watu tuthandatu kuona political parties rush to reorganize at 2027 polls cycle news biama na bino thite nambere kwa bikiringanagira na kwibanga bangania kagitani karaitho na biama wa Congress yemengo na muwanja bithite nambere kwa bikithengagiri Gachagua Raila Gunt help Ruto 2027 elections former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua na thitwa kinambere kwa akiuga ati mutongoro wa ODM Raila Amolo Odinga kuinambere kwa gitara ku watambaru Ruto butithi nambere kwa bwetethia na arethitwo kiuga ati Raila atiethirwa gitetheria Ruto kirithwa no bia mwanka ngirishire mirongo na mugwanja nkuruke kinambere kwa kiuga ati kaba Raila athi nambere kwa kiringanagira nwe kengo baethirwa baki watanagira ndikomenya ndeto eno ya karata nuntu Raila na kwendwa ni raisi, Raila na kwendwa ni Gachagua, Gachagua na kwenda Kalonzo Musyoka, I don't know, lakini gatwete twinambere kwa tukionaga buragu wakara. Senators take on Barasa over SHA, Furrier demands varies for money. Health Cabinet Secretary Deborah Barasa muthenya wa goro kana ni waziri wa mantu makoneni na ugima muthenya wa goro came under attack from a senators who accused her of failing to address concern on the Social Health Authority SHA exposing patient to sufferings. Maseneti baadhi na mbere kwegwa bakimenagiria waziri uyu wa mantu mogima etawa Deborah Barasa no ntubwa mbio no ntubwa kura mwikurutango ku mubango wa SHA arabethire tubakiuga akenya baingi bethe tubari thinani bari Kenya marani batakumenya nata bakainambere kwigwa bakiruthaga kumani na mubango uyu wa SHA kuinambere kwigwa utakuthi bwega. Authority threatens private hospitals for suspending services. Authority threatens private hospitals for Chibitari Chekiumbende reporting threats and victimization from Social Health Authority SHA as they push for the settlement of that billion debt owned by the defunct National Health Insurance NHIF. They also say they are being compelled to provide all health services for all phase withdrawal of SHA contract. Chibitari chentu kiumbe ichile tukinambere kwa wigetena kugatiba kumakanwa ni thirikari kuinambere kwa bakiruta mautungata ma ugima kiriakani na araba kwerekana kana na araba kwethura bakiuga ati bereto bare kunenkana mautungata mama bakainambere kwa bagitunya wa contract ino chia SHA na ikagitani kara kwerekana kwina irando murithire wa Meru TV billion 30 erethiritwe rio kirima Chibitari mama kiumbe bataritwe ni thirikari kuma na mubango ora wale gukanyuma mubango wa NHIF. DPP faces outside of a dropped death threat case. Kwena DDP ya gawo Tawa Lenson Gonga during an event to mark the International Day and Impunity of Crimes Against Journalism in November. Business Hussein Amar accused Reshon Nagonga of misconduct of a case withdrawal. He says DPP's case termination and lies rule overall rating is niga barara DPP lele by the way lele tukinambira kwarekea ragirwa ago murithiro wa Meru TV ni rira re mwigena businessman ora Hussein Amar wona wagoranga thitino kainambira kwigwa ukionaga ndeto ino alitoa ngiri 99,338 baraba na C+ arabomba kwego bakirega kuthi university no ntubwambe education says CSA's state may not be able to finance all qualifying candidate under the prevailing economic conditions bariuga kombika thirikari ikalemwa ikuthi na mbere kwegwa ikigaramia aito baba kwinambere kwa bakithi ya ma university no ntubwa kagita kaumu thirikari tina mbecha chia kuthomithia ana baraba na C+ wetia kwa ugu kwina thina kartati ni ya 10 ndiona ni ndere chia divati ya ugu kartati ya 10 ndiona audit mutoro muthamu mathirikari Nancy Gathungu the shame of counties blowing millions on a bogus project travel na the tokinambere kwegwa kemeneria thirikari ira chithe tokinambere kwigitumagira mbere chiago woyuguyu na kuinambere kwegwa bakiria ku manyera mbere chio bwega kwangerekano Kilifi ririkane the toitemera shilingi 70 million on office furnitures yani metha chio bichi nambi audit fund and functional TV 151,000 and issued furnitures and missing asset. Inu ni moya ilitumilete na imbe chiayo. County ya Tana River yedhilete itumile 6.4 million kilimantuma foreign travelers ngendo chia kumagulu kaome ira itena gitumi. Wajia county itumilete 9.3 million ku repair generator uyu tu Marsabit yathumira 3.4 million mantu mau travel. Indosol project Kilifi yatumira 75.9 million. Nonto was a CT scan machine that was never delivered. Yeah, kuna CT scan machine ile tagana kutuika kinyago ntoko era yithiritwe kinambere kwekiria shilingi million 75 itawanoka jira yathi. Tana River yatumira 73.4 million kiremantu medical equipment still in boxes due to delayed hospital construction. Yeah, yatumira mbeche inu kugura machine ile chigo gicini mwankemdeture nonto bwa kujia tongera ya waka obichi kana waka chibitari. Siaya X-ray machine at got Gulu hospital and due to lack of radiography. Yeah, Siaya ya inambere kwa X-ray machine ira etiana mtu wako mitumira. Ni moche county yechi da tukinambere kwegwa igetumira bodho kumbecha chiago ago ira chide tukinambere kwigitaragirwa county Kathumba twire ago murithiro Meru TV tinu akihinu ne amona iranda inambere kwebonge gotongagira ira chide tukinambere kwegwa igetumira bodhoku mbecha chiago imuchire chide tukinambere kwigitumira nae mbecha chia thirikari ara mutari mathamu thirikari na Kathungwa thiri tukinambere kwegwa kimenagiria ndatuno ex speaker law outstar declared illegal county orders to pay him. Elikana Kisumu County Assembly impeached Oyalo Law on September 18, 2019. Speaker ya thianambere wa Kisumu thianambere kwa impeach ende na yathirĩtwo akirwa nariwe nontu ati impeach bura kwa batiri. Karatati ni gatugana karatati ni 14 ne mbicha ya gatuni ire ya gago nkwana mutongoro kya makao DM athite nambere kwegwa akine nkagirwe njara ire ya gago chiere akwirwa atare kira kwenda kabox kare ya gago president 2027 na arange kwena post broad based kwanenkerwa kanyamu gake gagwikaria kunenkerwa position kanya ndeni ya thirikari ine mbichene gatun ria choretera irare agago wawete bukure ODM ambite njera takumenyimbio akwenda kethiro igitigia o president 2027 kana ni kanya ka thirikari broad based government karatati ni gakoma tuna noka inambere kwa kithagira ari wana oro murithiria wa Meru TV. Karatati katika 16 bado kari tiro kono Raila agago aranko na Raila ena mukwayo wake bwana ara kurekana with no more bullets to shoot it's time for Raila to call it quit. Yeah, kurekana arende gutina risasi engeti yerende ni abunduki ene ya Raila ikagita kende kuinambira kwigwa akirekana na urathi. Rwanuru ya karatati ya 16 murithiria wa Meru TV umagaruka wagoranga theti yaku kainambere kwigwa ukibonagira rugono ruru murithiria mwende. Karatati ya 18 ne ndero chikone na biashara chichire tukinambere kwikiandikagirwa gago ndero chia biashara cooking gas consumption rises to reduce kerosene use by 32%. Mantuma shipping mantuma shipping mariama retwe mantuma konerina ndero chaki mande guru murithiria Meru TV ili agago. Ukraine instructed deal ko share minerals world na US. Track down rape survivor recalls horror of DLC jailbreak. Yeah, kwena oyo sifa orathiritwo akinambere kwa survive the fire but a child was killed in the attack on the prison. Oito ndata chaki mande guru ino karatati nkamengona to that real estate ile agago ndata chi koneni na advertisement murithiria wa Meru TV kinyechiri ndeni ya karatati aka kana ndeni ngatheti ino magaruko kainambere kwigwa guragira ngatheti ino ngethera chikoni na michetho bado ili ndeni ngatheti ino murithiria mwende kogu kinyecho wona magaruko kainambere kwigwa guragira ngatheti ino ya The Standard kogu ngatheti ira ina ngono Kathumba tu ngatheti ya The Daily Nation murithiri wa Meru TV rugono ruriaga rwa mbere rugono rwango kwira rugono rwa Ruto araithiritwo kinambere kwigua akirikana na changamoto cia hapa kule ndwa chiaganara Kadharia twiri ndani ya ngatheti ino ya Daily Nation. State defunds HIV hence BMDUSA assistance freeze. President Donald Trump has stopped the work of USAID and frozen most support to developing countries. Yeah? Nyuma ya USAID kuinambara kwithirwa tigano aneo kana nyuma ya Trump kuinambara kwigwa ruta utethio bwake kirima antu makona ndawa ino cha timbi ndawa chiokimi ende thirikari ni thitwe kinambara kwigwa ikirikana is among the top 4 countries in Africa with the highest HIV AIDS burden studies show. Ya nerikanite ndigurura imwe ya ndiguru inya echiriro china murimo oyo wo mukingo na nontu borende bothe tubukinambara kwigwa bugitaragirwa gwatibura buri obo kumania na kugitwa wa utethio bubu karatati ngato that ministry hospitals filled over 200 billion difference in bill and the tinocha shai chile tukinambara kwikera girwa bado karatati ngato that then ngatheti no kwa magorka wa ngatheti yaku kainambara kwigwa okibanagira how president's new battlefront threatens his plan bora rais ya thetu akinambara kwigwa akimakirwa Mubango wake. President William Ruto is entangled in many battles that could derail the implementation of his pet project and pit Kenya against its neighbors, even as he continues to face political rebellion fueled by his impeached former deputy Rigathi Gachagua. Rais yetu akinambia kwegwa akiringana na challenges kana ikirikana na ndo ino right left and center Rigathi Gachagua ruterwa na kumubura vita mirandi irakurutha ya Kenya batigo kenera niyo kwina hali yeguru ya ngarama ya maisha ndeto irachile tukinambere kwegwa igikujia rais omba kwegwa kirutha labda mibango yake. Gachagua now hit at taking on Ruto in 2027. Former Deputy Rigathi Gachagua as the intended at challenging President William Ruto in 2027 presidential election, days after urging other leaders to join him and even promising to make Raila Odinga president if come on board. Yeah? Gachagua na the akinambara kwegwa 2027 akainambara kwegwa gashem Ruto na ara the kinyage tambetwa Raila Odinga bathinambara kwa bakiwatanira na kurutania ngwena akiuga wona Ruto kana wona Raila the geta Raila mbetwa athinambara kwegwa akiringanagira nwe na akiwona Raila amo join Raila no akainambara kwa kithuka gitiki ya president 2027. Leta chia divati chunkona au kumera agumurithiro Meru TV leta chia advertisement iri au karatati yake na ngitimbi opinions iri ndani ngatheti yake murithiro Meru TV bado leta chia county iri ndani ya karatati yake kwa kumaruka leta chia property iri ndani ya karatati yake ndero chake mandhiro bado kinyechiri ndani ya karatati yake ndero chake biashara bando iri ndani ya ngatheti ino murithiro Meru TV na kwogu ndero chake michezo kinyechio iri ndani ya karatati gaka wona gumaruka wagura ngatheti ino ukainambira kwibanagira imbi yoyo ngweni ireto kinambira kwigwa ikimatagirwa urito ndani ya ngatheti ino chionde niona nikawithire bambitani families wa Kimathi na ino icho mkuona iwekeretwo rito ndeni ngatheti chetu rukirerwe munde menyo thikuraya tu nkainambira kwa ngichokagira kengo twinambira kwigwa tukiendelea kwariria mantu mwanya. Good morning.
kwaranĩria no bichichia Meru TV na Theri FM wakaigua kũrĩ no